Today is a special day in the annals of Nnewi people. For the records, the town Nnewi is situated in Anambra State of Nigeria. In business, we have always been known for hard work, prudence, entrepreneurial skills. And in academia, we also find our men and women. It is not surprising, therefore, that Nnewi the Lagos branch, which is made up of highly intellectual and skilled wives of ours, put the idea of identifying and honoring patriots within our society about 9 months ago. As responsible and intelligent wives, they presented the idea to us while it was still on the drawing board. We took a critical look at the project content, which include but not limited to scholarship to indigent students, empowering of women in form of skill and acquisition, and more. Having been satisfied, we gave them a blessing for successful execution of this project. The nomination, selection, and screening of names listed were carefully done by from a few disciplined and unbiased members of the local government. The exercise brought about the great minds we have here with us today. It is worthy to note that this is the very first time an award of this nature is being presented to a select deserving members of Nigerian society and the group. As the current chairman of Nnewi Lagos branch, which is an umbrella body of this group, I have the mandate not just the executives, but also the members to salute the courage of our dear wives. I therefore congratulate the distinguished awardees, knowing that this great honor will in no small measure for you all to do more for the society. To our special guests, I say, it is a delight having you all with us. To all the members of the Women League, I say, take a bow for being amazing. To that group.
President Nnewi Youth Lagos branch. I like the way the make a speech is short and to the point. The reason why we are here is to give recognition to whom recognition is due. People who have been working selflessly for the growth of our community and humanity at large. We have the pillars of development and the rulers of our time. There are two categories. And we are going to start with the first category, which is the the Deputy Governor of Anambra State, who is probably on her way. And the citation will be read by Ifeanyi. She is here.
Good evening, distinguished guests. Profile of Her Excellency, then President Ubah, Deputy Governor of Anambra State. Then Beijing was born on the 11th of November 1942, a native of Nnewi in the Nnewi North local government, Anambra State. Her educational career traversed primary, post-primary and higher educational institutions located in the northern, western, and eastern part of Nigeria. Her qualifications include the National Certificate of Education from the African College of Education, Delta State, Bachelor of Education, honors from the University of Nigeria, Soka, and certificates in Information Technology from the Goldsmith College, University of London. Her working career as an educationist took her across the nation, and she, at various times, taught in and headed several schools in Kpakpando. She retired from the service of the Anambra State government in 1991 after 35 years of meritorious service. On her retirement, she founded the Bennett Etiaba Memorial Schools in Nnewi. She headed the school until March 2006, when she resigned to assume the position of the Deputy Governor of Anambra State. Following the validation of her electoral victory in 2003, governorship election in Anambra State by the Court of Appeal, making history as the first female deputy governor in the southeast geographical zone of Nigeria. She was sworn in as the governor of Anambra State, and indeed the first female governor in Anambra. Following the impeachment of the governor, Mr. Peter Ubah, then following the notification of the impeachment by the Court of Appeal, she relinquished the office of Governor of Anambra State to Mr. Peter Ubah on the 9th of February 2007 and resumed as Deputy Governor, a position she held till date. It is with great honor and privilege that I present to you the distinguished guest, this woman of substance, Her Excellency, then Ifeanyi, Deputy Governor of Anambra State. Ma'am, you are welcome.
Mrs. Ogono is standing in for her to receive the award.
Thank you very much for honoring her in this way. We are really grateful. Thank you.
Our left Chief A.E. Ilonibe, that is going to be said now and again. He was and still is a living legend. We don't have much to say this evening than to say to him, wherever he is with us and we are with him. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, please. Hugo will receive the award on his behalf.
Thank you very much for this award. It's a great privilege to accept this award from my late father. Unfortunately, my brother couldn't be here to accept it for me, so I offered to take his place. My father was not just a great achiever, but he was a pillar of society, and he touched the lives of everyone that came in contact with him. I won't say too much, really. I know a lot of you, and I guess you personally. So I'd like to thank the Indian Women's League again for giving me this award on his behalf and accepting this award for the son of Naira. Thank you.
Ifeanyi in Nigeria, who hails from Nnewi North local government area of Anambra State.
Then Okoye is a graduate of business administration with monumental track record of over 20
years post-qualification experience, and is a result-oriented achiever. His doggedness and pragmatic impetus in the multi-Nigerian economy made him stand out among his peers, creating a niche for himself and in corporate environment as it can be gathered from his indelible footprints in various areas of his media touch. Over the years, he has embarked on various entrepreneurial interests. He has exhibited his ability to run organizations like TSB PATRIC, the largest pipeline integrity company, Rosen, another world pipeline integrity firm, and Nnewi Limited, an engineering firm that specializes in the installation of FM and television stations across the nation. Then Okoye is a broad corporate responsibility, spanning from policy commission, direction and control of goals and objectives of the company, and has attended courses within and outside Nigeria in various managerial capacities. Chief Okoye serves on the board of the following companies: Norgate Estate and Property Development Company, New Water Development Company Limited, DSB PATRIC Limited, Better Consortium, owners of Ikoyi Hotels, Non-Peak GMBP, Germany, Tokaz NGT. Chief Ben Okoye is happily married with children. Everyone Nnewi, Omebolo na Fiabu, Ozunu onye na-enye ụmụazị chọrọ ịgụ akwụkwọ, onye na-enye ha aka, onye ịgụ akwụkwọ ọkpụkpọ, onye eburu n'ala, nwa ọrụ ụmụ nwanyị,
On behalf of my family, I graciously accept this honor. Very much among the numerous Nnewi citizens choosing as one to the honor. Thank you very much. I want to add I'm also a friend of many.
Round of applause, please. Deputy Governor of Anambra State, she is right here, and we are very, very happy to welcome you, madam. We don't see you every day.
Welcome you.
Engineer Kenneth Emeka Anazo. Engineer Kenneth Emeka Anazo was born on 1st February 1949, a native of Nnewi in Nnewi North. His educational qualification: he had his BS honors in electrical engineering at Unilag, certificate of advanced machine engineering at London, postgraduate diploma in communication in India, and got his MBA management at ESUS. He was a lecturer of Nigerian Defense Academy, a project engineer at Standard Telecommunication and Cable, New Southgate, England, a project engineer, telecommunication installation and maintenance, First Standard, Milan. He was a senior engineer installation, planning and manpower, ITT Nigeria Limited, and a principal engineer installation planning. Engineer Kenneth Emeka Anazo was a deputy commissioner of police from Signal officer, the Nigerian Police Force. He was commissioner of police force, communication officer, and the chairman, chief executive officer, Great Harmony Investment Limited, Lagos, and chairman, Limited. Engineer Kenneth Emeka Anazo was a major design undertaker of multi-metering equipment for telephone exchange nationwide and the Nigerian Police nationwide satellite. His hobbies are reading, gym, and swimming. He is happily married with children. It is with great honor and privilege that I present to you distinguished guests, this noble gentleman, Engineer Kenneth Emeka Anazo. Ma, representing you, you are welcome.
I thank you all for this award, which I'm receiving on behalf of my husband. He was here but left for another engagement, and he has asked me to receive this award with 200,000 Naira. Thank you.
Sum of 200,000 Naira.
We want to announce the amount of money donated by the Honorable Chairman of this occasion. He said we should have a check of 2 million Naira for this project. State, as you know, he is your son from a very humble family of late Mr. Alphonsus and Mrs. Grace Ubah on the 3rd of September 1971. He attended first series of schools in Nnewi and Lagos, proceeding to Democratic Republic of Congo, where he obtained another degree in international relations and established his own business empire. He is today the biggest indigenous player in the downstream petroleum industry of our country. He is a humble person as well as tactical in sensitive issues. He is pragmatic. You and I know that because he is a very successful young man. He is an entrepreneur by excellence, and he sits upon a multinational indigenous blue-chip companies, including Capital Oil and Gas Industries, Oil Force Nigeria Limited, Ghana Oil Ghana Limited, and several others we may not want to mention. mention their names because of time constraint. Give me my voice, give me my voice engineer. He is married happily with children, and God has so blessed him so richly as he turns a blessing unto every one of us even today. Thank you very much.
I believe in what I can do or what I can contribute to change the face of our nation. As it may, and this award is coming from our mother, our wives, our sisters. I find it difficult to reject them. The very first award that we have taken in life was one conferred to me by Bishop Hillary Okeke. Sometime last year, when we were conferred award. This is the second one. And very unfortunately, I called on my friends, I think about 3 hours. I sent text to them, I said they should come and grace this occasion today. So any of my friends that is here today had this information 3 hours before now. But as a businessman I am, if you come and okay, here home wine for development, and I have to react in a businessman. And that is why the Jessica didn't need to have an attack. I don't even make her because it's a attack for. I didn't know where you see now. What happened? I'm not going to tell them, but I'm not going can we
Happy
hold
round of
on?
applause, please.
Wait.
I'll say very good. You are welcome. All I won't say that I'm invited because I'm not from here. So I'm part of the Nnewi and they are so recognized in Nnewi. And they also teach the women of the women. I'll say a big thing for everything. I say thank you so much for this honor. Long live Nnewi, long live Anambra State, long live very much for the nation, and I know other people in the high table will come down and support me. I will say my good friends because I know everyone here is my good friend, and all of you know me. So I'm filling up this with a donation of 200. And on behalf of my good friend, Stella, I'm collecting her loan with sum of 250,000.
With some of 100,000.
Naira in support of Chief
And thank you very much, everybody that has come here, all your contributions. Thank you for your support you're giving her. I'm very proud of you all. I'm very proud of you. And I'm very proud of all the dignitaries that are here present with me. Personally, myself, I'm supporting her with 50,000 Naira.
Thank you very much for supporting the sum of 50,000 Naira. Tell us one of the things about him.
They are a family recording. She Chief and Mrs. Joe Odija. You have your reward. Thank you very much. Cameraman, are you there?
Your Excellency, Governor of Anambra State, the Chairman of the Mission, titlemen, distinguished ladies and gentlemen.
You can let the noise please and listen to the recipient, please.
Today is a very great day for my wife and I to be here today to receive this award. I will thank the organizers, the women wing of Nnewi. I want to tell you one thing about the Nnewi that my mother was one of the founding members of this meeting. And when I got the letter that I'll be giving an award, I have that in my mind that young man, by the special grace of God, I will be here today. And I give thanks to Almighty God that my wife and I are here today. I really not want to take much of your time. My wife and I will give a donation. We give a donation because it is a God's gift. Because every donation here will go for the development of Nnewi town. I will give a donation, like I said before, just a token of the 1 million naira.
We shall all leave the floor for her because she will want to attend to several other official functions this evening. Her Excellency is stepping down to let us know that she is leaving us physically but not.
probably unconfused because I have a lot of things. The president of Nnewi, Ifeanyi. Can you need to say all the right to the confusion of time for one of time? I'm really very happy to be here, but I have to start first of all by telling my unreserved apology. I have to say that coming late wasn't of my own making. So, bear with me. My citation has been read, and I said I don't want it to be repeated. But there is a very vital correction that I would like to make. Because if I don't do it, probably my brother Dr. and my sisters Dr. might even chase me out of Nnewi. I am from Otolo and not Ubah. I am married to a very famous Nnewi who is in Etiara. So that's it. Now, permit me to say that I'm really very happy to be associated with this particular gathering. It is a thing of joy. I'm happy also to know that you remember me far away from Anambra State, Nnewi. You remember that someone like them Vegeta by Lagos. So I thank you very much. And for the women that are here, I really love my heart for you. Because it is not easy to have such a gathering. It's not easy also to make such a plan. I really said that I missed the address by the president. But in every gathering like this, I'm sure we talk of development. I am someone who does development. We are all aware of the fact that I am the deputy governor of Anambra State. But there was a time destiny beckoned on me. There was a time the Almighty said, my daughter, stand up and go to war. And that was when I came up as the first female governor in Nigeria. I must tell you, most women in North were on their knees praying for success. Everybody in Anambra State praying for success. All women in Igbo land praying for success. And at that particular period, I had a very successful and very busy period. During the period, my dear women from Nnewi, I did remember Nnewi. And that's why I said that I am really very happy with the development. And I'm glad that I'm still the deputy governor of Anambra State. No development will miss you following Jesus. I believe in development, and I'm sure that I will continue to do my best. Now, as a civil servant, it will be very difficult for me to stand here and tell you what I will offer. Because my own governor, His Excellency Mr. P. is also a man of low profile, but we know what we are doing. We don't announce in the public. The only thing I know is that any development meant for Anambra State will surely get to Nnewi. I thank you very much. For my brothers and sisters that are here, I know that you will all support me. But permit me to say that I have an appointment that I'm almost very late. I have an appointment with Her Excellency, and I'm moving right now to meet the appointment. So, thank you very much for all of you that are here. May God continue to bless us in Jesus' name. A very big round of applause for her, please. And
time. We see you. You always happy. Reason why we go to the point. I'm the captain. I'm the captain. They don't let you leave no more. Reason why your time. How much? Just a
I'm sweating. Go and give him. He will give to me. The chairman.
He has his own copy. This is your own copy.
Why didn't you give it to him?
I've already given him his own copy.
So he paid for this one?
No, I've already paid for this.
The press people, they want to interview her, please.
From Oil Television.
Ụlọ nke mbụ a na-asụ sọ Igbo na-akwalite asụsụ ndị Igbo. Anyị chọrọ ịma ozi ga-ezipụrụ ndị nne ọkachasị ụmụ Igbo nọ n'ụzọ ije na Lagos nakwa na mba ụwa dum.
And Ifeanyi ebe anụ tata bụ mostly ndị ụmụ nwanyị melia. Nke gosili na ụmụ nwanyị na-echepụlụ obodo anyị echiche ọma. Ụmụ nwanyị n'eziokwu na-akpọgofe ụmụ nwanyị mana fa na-emekwa ife dị iche. Fa na-azụpụta ụmụaka. Ọ nwanyị bụ ji ụlọ maka oge nwoke ga-ejebe ozi ije chụta ego, anyị nwa bụ ụmụ nwanyị anọdụ n'ụlọ wee na-enetesi ụlọ anya wee na-azụkwa ụmụaka. Ụmụaka na-azụ abụrụ sọsọ nke anyị na ụmụaka ọbụla nke efuru n'ụzọ nke amara eme ezu anya like onye kwuru okwu kwuru maka onwe ụmụaka nwere ụbụlụ ịgụ akwụkwọ mana dị ụtọ na mfiarụ jifa fa ụbụlụ afọ anọ iyi mana ụmụ nwanyị fụ ụdị ife dị etu a like Ifeanyi ebe anụ tata fa na-enye aka wee zụọ ụmụaka niile anụ. At the end ifu na ụmụaka anụ abụrụ ife ga-abalụ anyị ulu balụ steeti anyị ulu balụkwa obodo anyị bụ Naijiria ulu. So na ụdị ife anụ maka nna ezisa ozi ka ụmụ nwanyị na-aghọta and oge ụmụ nwoke bụ ndị di anyị ga na-alụkwanya bụ ọlụ ka anyị na-etinyekwa fa n'ekpele ka fa wee nwee ike wee na-eje wee na-anatakwa n'udo ka ha ghara ime iti ajọ ife ọbụla maka ajọ ife erikasị kịta onwe onye ga-adị innocent n'ife ebolo ofu ife bụ esi na omeli ya mana o mere ya mana anyị ga na-etinye fa n'ekpele achụrụ ya na-aza anyị bụ ekpele n'aha Jizọs. Ndụmọdụ m ga-enye ụmụ nwanyị gbasara ya bụ na mmasị gị na ọdịsị mma na ụmụaka anyị mụtara ga na-ebugharị ife mana ọ necessity na-akpata na ụmụaka ụfọdụ na-ebugharị ya bụ ife. So ndụmọdụ na-enyefe abụ ọ bụrụ na ọ ga-ekwefa mee fa biko ka a ghara ịdị na-ezipụsị ụmụaka anyị afọ n'ilo maka na ajọ ife erika kịta anụ o nwere nwatakịrị ga-abụ pụọ ọma anatazi and a na-achụ ya oge ụfọdụ eweli eme ajọ ife oge ụfọdụ ama ebe ọ nọ nyanwa ama nwoke ịmakwa ebe nne na nna ya nọ ọ na-etigharị na-ebe onwere onye chọrọ ka nwunye ya fụ. So ọ bụrụ na ọ ga-ekwe anyị ime mana like I said ọ ife na-akpata ife necessity na-akpata ife mana onye nwere ụdị mkpa anya biko nye dupụziri ụmụaka ya na-efe anya maka na ụmụaka kịta anụnwa ọfa bụ ndị ga-ebu anyị n'ihu.
Ndị UN mere nchọpụta sị na n'oge na-adịghị anya n'asụsụ Igbo bụ nke a ga-achọ achọ ya bụ na asụsụ Igbo na-ana ana dịka onye nne na onye sokwa edu ndị Igbo. Kedu mbọ m na-agba ịfụ na asụsụ Igbo bụ nke na-agaghị ana ana nke a ga-akwalite?
Eziokwu ka Igbo asụsụ Igbo na-ana ana ebe nnọọ na-anakwu na be mmụọ mana ana m agba mbọ ka m fụ na na-asụlụ my grandchildren na na-asụlụ fa Igbo ịsụ alụfafa aza anyị n'oyibo mana ị ga-asịkwa onye mba na oyibo a bụrụ ọnụ obodo anyị n'ọnụ ndị ọcha ka ọ bụ maka na ndị ọcha ga-asụ nke anyị. So anyị ga-agba mbọ ka anyị na-akụzikwala ụmụ anyị na anyị bụ ndị Igbo and asụsụ Igbo
bụ ife ga-enyela anyị aka.
Chineke gọzie gị. Ihe ahụ ga-ada anyị.
And they're all together here in Nigeria, and they're here to welcome all of them that I have mentioned. Thank you for the great achievement of supporting the indigent children and women in our society, and then Nigeria at large. We welcome you.
Thank you very much. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would say I'm very delighted with that and honor to have an award for Nnewi. On behalf of my family, friends, and the thing has been going on for a long time, and we are all the time. I wish to thank the honorable chairman, Ifeanyi first, and my very good friend, Ifeanyi. It's not easy. I believe the person has been finished already. Before them, I'm supporting them at the same time. Everything together. Both support and the donation that we have to give to friends as well. I'm giving some of them.
Chief and Mrs. Igokoli are here also to represent her. Thank you very much.
Chairman of the nation. I must mention the greatest gentleman in our friends.
they are progenitors of development. Where essentially the small boy learning the roots. When it comes to education, there are two things presently that I put my money into, if ever I have one. That is education and the work of God, just president. I'm a man of very short words, a very shy person. So I thank you all for finding me and my own brilliant and beautiful wife worthy of an award. I call you on behalf of my clients, my family friend and my sister, Chief Mrs. Ifeanyi in the Daddy or my Benako, Lusimba, Ugumba, Aigulo, I have just a short message to give to you. On behalf of what you have done to us, on behalf of our doctor, I pledge the sum of 1 million.
So, we didn't make you fine.
And I'm happy everything I'm here. Thank you, God, the family of and Lady Chico, and family and friends now around me who will make the one more day out of us. I make them know the all the standing, all the ladies, and all the self. My family never mind. So it's 50,000. Thank you very much, madam.
I have that idea. I feel careful that I will put your mind. I don't know.
Then the mom.
We are so overwhelmed with the people of Nigeria because of the project we have at hand. And for me to go as normal, I think I have to do a song for you. And oh God, my Father, there is no shadow of my service for women because we empower the woman in position of peace. The best example will be our children. But when you fail to do that, you don't go over to our children and turn them off. By being so, you are putting off the crisis in the society. You are building a future Nigeria safe for all of us. So I cannot download for being so good. Kpakpando, if you are Igbo speaking, and if you are Yoruba, I can say Otita, and if you are Hausa, I can say Alino, and if you get to understand all these things mean Nigerian government, and if you don't understand English language, I'm not